Rumaikapta achiwe kamadaya bauping. Manipur kapungnao ping li sagaze bil katumwe maramli yang sangmi khawai President Murmuli nga kawa haira kapungnao ping na delimitation exercise li shiruk mukhuiloda at samna bohaira. East Zone we bodybuilding physique hanli wazang khawai Ukhrul Royal Gymnasium we mimati li kapangkhui haira. Lake Yangator, Aju the Tangkhul Expressway Bao Iknguira Shimray in Abami Delay, Bao Ping May Sai Nanganangarumsa. Manipur Assembly Session Li, Quigaga Hai Kapung Abamli, Sagaze Bil Katumi Maramli, State Shokana Yang Sangda, Nahanga Kawai Center Shokana Jizumi Haira. State Shokana Constitution Li Madum Maganda, Quikara Bil Katum Jiwi Maramli, President Drobati Murmuchina, Kayang Sami Kwai Tribal ex-parliamentaries Tarada Medina Bovaya, ex-MBs, ex-ministers, Kala ex-MLS, La HSC ex-members Zangda, Tribal ex-parliamentaries Tarada Medina, Pai Gajang President Li Memorandum Mivada, 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly We Session Kakane Li, Constitution Li Magashu Wimaram Li Yang Sami Kwai Bokwana. Kapung Yari Namakamaya Bill Gatum Gaje, Bill number 14, the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms 7 Amendment Bill 2022, Bill number 15, the Manipur District Councils Bill 2022, Gala Bill number 16, the Manipur District Councils Bill 2022, the Bill Gatum J Kapung Now Bingwi, in Dresma Yangmila, District Council we Bangshop State Shogarli Mida, Legasa Mandate Li, Mate Mitura Gajihi at Sam Nahanga. Yarwi Kapaning Yang the HSC na recommend Gasa Bill ba Depol Masamila, State Shokana HSC Li, Bill Gade recommend Sahau, La 6th Amendment Chi Manipil na Direct Laga, Constitution Li Mashula Basa Gahaina, Kala Jigata HSC we Constitutional Rights Li, Yangkai Commit La Autonomous District Council we, Bangshop State Government Li Commit Jiva, Constitutional Amendment Mang Aina, Sagapaina, State Assembly na Sagapai Maning Mana Gacha, Mashunji Constitution we Article 371 Sili Mihaida Kalaina da, at Samna Hangsanga. Ex-parliamentary Spina Memorandum Mikasangli, Ngahanga Kamisada, President Secretary Dwi, Aina Manipur Chief Secretary Li, Gabi Kwali Gahang, Bills Katumji President We, Kamaya Kwai Ministry of Home Affairs Li, Manipur Shokarna, Mamiranga, La da Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Bill 2015 Jiva, 2015 B Gachangli Ministry Li, Rashunga, Kirchi State Shokana 2018 Kum Withdraw Sababam Hawa da Hanga. Maramchi Kamadaya Sada Yang Sangda reply Miralu Gajihi, Manipur Chief Secretary Li Jizumi Gahaina. State Assembly Alulima Kangaye Shogahaiji, Mashunkui Haura Dashit Kasang Laya Gajihanda, Constitutional Provisions Ngak Mikvai President Na Yang Sangmida Kalai Wibang, Ningshia da at Samna Pongshoka. State Shoka Nagapuna Bingwe Constitutional Rights League Yashiranu, Kala 2021 Ngapai Darik Magada Pangatang State Shokar Aina at some, and some Kala KSO, GHQ we Alungli, Memorandum of Understanding Lake Highly, Hanga Haithada, EDC Bill 2021 G Debel Sami Haranuda at some Napongshoka. Shokda Kale Angareti Yang Laga Kapung Now Bing na Arihonwe, delimitation exercise li Sharuk Makuyalu Gache, Jina, Ichumwe Constitutional Rights Kamong Shunkamhaura da at Samna Gabosaya. HNC Li, Nazan Kangasa Constitution Li Magashur Yari Nama Kamaya Procedure G, HNC Nala Gatakwe Alungli, Kamkwira Nuda at Samna Bohaira. Ukhrul Royal Gymnasium Li train Gasa athletes Madili, East Zone Ngahanli Manipur we Aina Vasang Kwai Kapangkui Haira. 11th East Zone Senior Masters Divyang Men's Bodybuilding and Men's and Women's Physics Sports Championship Li Vasang Kwai, Ukhrul Royal Gymnasium we Miping Jia, Gasom Kolan Now Solimla Jajo, Punridang East we Yuvraj Soner, Morenao Sarant Lumintang Dautang, Aina Bidar Tangmin Lang Misao Ashimadi Hina. Ngahan Chuwibang Manipur Bodybuilding Team Semkwai Aya, All Manipur Bodybuilders Association na Kuman Lambagli Trial Selection Salaga, Kangarionao Tarangala Official Kanili Kapangkuya. 11th East Zone Senior Masters Divyang Men's Bodybuilding and Men's and Women's Physics Sports Championship G West Bengal Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Association na makokmida rakara ngapai gachang widarik tharada khaniaina tharada gathumthang Kutiram Anushilan Kendra Galgatali Rumiki Gachina Championship G Easter India Zone Way Affiliated State Association Li Gazang Kangario now being wivang room kamina.
Walk-in interview in UCRU. R&T Institute and Aviation Academy is yet again coming back to UCRU on 20th of October from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Salom Cafe, Winovajai, UCRU. R&T Institute is one of the leading aviation academy in the Northeast. With 100% placement assistant record and a lot of young candidates from UCRU have been placed in different airlines and few are still undergoing the training. All interested candidates may call or WhatsApp the given number for registration. The institute is open for both male and female candidates. Hurry up, register now.
Tangkhul Literature Society Ukshul be Pungvu Kapangda Aya election Sahira. Rushing Hall Awungtang Ukshul Li election Sada Society Chui President Victor W. Gaping Li Kapang Sanghaira, A.S. John Abengna, General Secretary. R. Unausui Vice President, Likson Zimik na Joint Secretary Gala, Gay Bamlena Accountant Ngapam Kuihaira. Tangkhul Literature Society Ukrul Bi Committee Li Remember Litui, H.A. Unaubam, Joel Angkang, Rachel Zinkai, L.S. Umbam, Somi Gasar, Honbam Releng, Tanjabam Jakoi, Warden Jakoi, Gala G.S. John F. Kavangbam Atumla Member Sada Zangdale. Tangkhul Literature Society Ukrul be Pungvu Ping Jizingum Gatum or Sama Kwai Wivang Kabangasangna. Home Minister Amit Shah na North-Eastern Council we 7th Plenary Session Thanda Development Projects Ngadida Review Sahira. Gazipji Guwahati Li Bamda Union Minister for Development of North-Eastern Region G.K. Reddy La North-Eastern States Jishadwe Governor Saina Chief Ministers Bing Wazanga Plenary Session North-Eastern Region Li Project Singada Kalebing Week Shokazang La Mangava Mai Kwai Maram Ngasan La 2022 to 23 Kala Zadwaki Gachiwe Pegar Kuiran Yakshoki Gachina Ministry of Honor NEC State Governments Kala Central Ministries Bingna Developmental Initiatives Kala Future Plans Maram Lila Hangsangaraga State Chief Secretary Spina Kamadaya Odngarut Kwiga Gahai, La Mabung Pada, Sakwi Gahai, La Telecom, Broadband and Internet Connectivity, Primary Sector Development Aina, Tourism Higata Wivang Abam We Atishuda, Regional Planning Kasam Maram Lilang Sanhaira. Minister of State for Donor and Corporation, B.L. Verma Kala, Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biran Singh La, North-Eastern Council with 17th Plenary Chiliva Zanga. NSCN IMI na NNBGS Bing Maya Kangarok Akawi Alungli Lake Hawaii Naga Citizens Group Forum for Naga Reconciliation FNR na Gazip Kwigahaira Naga Political Issue with Solution Takja Kwira Kwai Ningrin Aina FNR na Makok Mida Social Workers La NGO Saina Civil Societies We Miping Guptang Timapur Ling Asopam Haira Achum na ngasan laga NSCN IMI na NNBGSC Command Platform Akli Kwiraga Para Gajimayang Roka. Mga vakawai naga historical aina political rights li ban laga ngarai gaja abam pakwi kwai kala maya kangarok le kwai NSCN aina NNBGS we reconciliation process li naga now being naga domra gaji FNR na hanga. Northeast li nisha ari arai ngatum ngadada londa khalai Trans Kathar Shogda Shokana Ninga Karik Pong Shokhaira Anjahon Gupthang Northeast Abamli Shogdakle Drug Trafficking Kala National Security We Maramli Union Home Minister Amit Shah Chief Ministers Chief Secretaries Kala Director Generals of Police Bingli Karajan Sada Drug Syndicates Bina Northeast India Li Kala Bank Accounts Kala Bostel Addresses Chikichin Laidale Myanmar Now Kaika Manipur Li Bank Accounts Laidale Northeast We Nisha Legasanao Kaika Nigerians Li Kangshik Laidale Kala South Indians Kaika Northeast Li Nisha Legasala Ningmong the Leda Shana Hanga Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Nasam Gashok 2019 Magnitude of Substance Report Atishuda Northeastern states chini le opium aina ganja shi kachin merdale India ngalai saigorwe average consumption li handmade dale da hanga Farmers being lisa gazumalay nga saglay illegal farming kamkui kwai Ministry of Home Affairs na study group semra kala gadada vu vashung kwai kashi bamde drones aina agap agay shichin laga kamkuira da hanga Illegal crops vagasang pingli langpai kwai apong gache khurami kwai da Interministerial Committee semhaira kala NCP nala satellite imagery jiteda Northeastern region li Illegal opium poppy cultivation shimit kwai sadalaida shana hanga Northeastern states nala narcotics we maram saigoro yang sangkwai anti-narcotics task force semhaira nisha ari arai kam kwai gasai hili Northeastern states we chief ministers being na saglagai na khuida ngasansan chilugji hi hangda drug related cases ji ariwi source how kapok pa mai na hopokda andazan washunda yang sang phalungra gacha network page order shimiti gachi na da amichana hangsanga Northeast Nation we sari mati UNESCO report li gazang sampang haira UNESCO we report handmade for the 21st century safeguarding traditional Indian textiles gachi li India we apam ngade da we nation agaya khasada abangai na rakakwi kashin gajon hangphanga gada zangdale report chili gazang Northeast India we handmade traditional textiles madiji Manipur we aina lasing fi kala safi lanfi dalagaho raivat kachon Sikkim we lapcha kala Tripura we Risha textile weaving hibing hina Okchi we karing karak khangajaya tishuda pangai na rakakwi textiles chiman mamandale gachi hangda atumna karakji kachang changzanga la industrial competitors li manga phanra manada report china hanga Chitada sada handmade textiles la banthem chi mashiman khwai mathalak aina high commander gar saya da report china hanga Manipur we handloom industry hi gachung gacha maide shinau sanwi bangli leidale gachi hanga UNESCO nagahang Manipur Shogarwi hot kanangala national retailers zanglaga lasing fi textiles we laying anong matamay kwai samia ka kajon karak now being na atumui od yor kwai apong apam chungmay sampangra report juwi a tissue da laying anong le safi lan fi kajon we demand va laydale kalachi kajon scarf la gods kaw hi katalila khopsang da shichina ka karak now la embroiderers muchung to that demand lelala mami shokra manajia UNESCO we report china gahang gadam gashi la karing karakli khangaje kharai na kajon kharaki shinaw tyaw maidana damdale kala china ngashan khamayon matha ga sangla mida khamaron le saz dale chia Tripura we risha la ngalai kade we ling anongli mo washung kharar na yorga khwili ka hablai dale Arihon Adam Ling Shanwi, Aman Gasak Teda Kamayon, Laylala, Bangtiamwi sector he, Gajung Gaja Matada, Take Kamima Mada, Gajang Katwi, and a red aina, policy assembly Kangabak Le Hawada report China Hanga. Ringda Kalaying he, Zadvan Kawaila, Bangtiamwi sector he, India we, Shanglaka High Guljura Heritage we, Kamadaya Akasada, Vakawai policy, Sampalungra da UNESCO report China Hanga. Let Luida Achuwik Madaya Baobing Manipur Kapungnao Ping Li Sagaze Bill Katumwi Maram Li Yang Sangmi Kwai President Murmuli Ngagawa Haira Kapungnao Ping na delimitation exercise Li Shiruk Mukui Luda at Samna Bohaira East Zone we bodybuilding physique Hanli Wazang Kwai Ukrul Royal Gymnasium we Mimati Kapangkui Haira Achuwi bao hiling changhaira bao nganada kalaina tum saigorali ringkapagala kamahaya zimikshyo ngasasir rana